Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off activity indicator in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just have to go into the profile menu, then into settings, and if you scroll down under privacy control, we find activity indicator. We tap on this, and here we can just turn it off. If we have it turned on, others can see if we have been active on Snapchat recently, or if we turn this off, then our activity isn't shown to everyone using the app. You can set it however you like, and it's pretty simple. You just tap on this button. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.